Stop act like say Kartel bigger and greater than the rest of man. Them busy eating a more category than all of the artists them we are gonna compare him to. Busy Signal have hits in not hits in all categories more than all and peers them.
So viewer subscriber, in this update, we have Foota hype a compare Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal. Yo, me know don't want to miss it. Cause he must say some things where me even did know about then. You see me? Yeah man. So channel man, me know don't want to miss it as me did say. So remember, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy and I could get right into it.
Stop act like say Kartel bigger and greater than the rest of man. Them busy eating a more category than all of the artists them we are gonna compare him to. Busy Signal have hits in not hits in all categories more than all and peers them. All of them put together. Just name all the artists them were boss within Busy Signal time. Busy Signal have hits in all categories. Cause your favorite DJ them now one drop hit, you know. On a favorite DJ them now have no one drop hit. And them afraid for the one drop. Busy eating a one drop. Busy eating a dancehall. Busy eating a Afrobeat. Busy eating a calypso. Busy eating a gospel. Busy eat. Come on. Let's be realistic, bro. No, let's just be real now. How much one job hit song Kartel have? When I talk about song where your voice, you know. Because everybody voice all kind of song. Wish one job hit Kartel have. Go check how much one job it Busy have. Because on the terminology of run the place is limited, bro. It's limited. When you not say, oh, I'm not run the place, on the terminology of run the place is limited. On the don't know what run the place mean, because Busy run the road too. But Kartel is the underground king. Me will give him that. Me will give Kartel that. Kartel is the underground king. Kartel is the underground king. But don't tell me, say, Kartel is the biggest thing. No, bro. I remember, so Busy never have a crew like how Kartel have Rhino, Javinci, Gaza Slim. All of them people, they help spread the name. Busy not have that system there, you know. Remember, say Kartel Bleach, you have Black Kartel, White Kartel, you have all kind of Kartel. Kartel do so many things to create that something that's, you know him. Busy not have that. Busy more hide. Busy more calm. Busy more nah say nothing. You never see Busy show him house yet. You never see Busy a show up him car yet. You never see Busy a show up him chain and him something them yet. So Kartel do other things to keep him name. Kartel keep event. Gaza Thursday, street vibes Tuesday. All kind of something to keep him brand name out there. Busy a hide and I do these things. So imagine if Busy that run down the cloud there. And for the record again, Busy have more money than all of the artists them in them category.
So there's so on here what Foota hype had to say about Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal. Yeah man, some things I never even did know. Foota hype I make me know right now. And I know most of me not agree with what Foota hype had to say, but it is what it is, you know. I'm not gonna say it's facts because as I said, I don't know. I never know. Till the Foota hype pull it to the media and I make me know right now. You see me? But yeah, it is what it is, you know. And the Foota hype also had something else to say. So I'm gonna play that video there and make you hear what's going on. Upon the same topic anyways, you know. Yeah man.
No point a Kartel career no day where him have original melody. You know. Kartel copy the most melody on the face of dancehall from enough Gaza fans don't even know that. Then it a go look like say Foota a fight Kartel. When I fight Kartel, I can go sub and say to and say, alright, Kartel are the goat, Kartel are the greatest, Kartel are the bestest, everything in our world. So our busy signal, it in a more categories than Kartel. Because we can go sub and say, alright, how much one job it Vybz Kartel have? How much one job it busy signal have? That a category, you know. We can say, alright, Kartel have 2 million dancehall song. 2 million. Him are one of the man who advise the most dancehall song. Them hit, girl song, gun song, reality song. Name one song where Kartel have were bigger than watch out for this dancehall song. You can't name it. That are the busy. Busy, one song bigger than all a Kartel 2 million song. Them. Then we can go somewhere and say, alright, Elephant Man are the god for hip-hop bootleg remix. Like on the bad man, a bad man. From R. Kelly rhythm and Kartel have couple of them there. Well, when take hip-hop rhythm and do remix, who have the biggest one? No busy signal. Love Jamaica, me nah salute. None of them no bigger than that. That play every night, everywhere in the world. We can say how much Calypso number one Kartel have. You not gonna tell me none. Now we say how much busy have over 11 number one Calypso. So I am just saying to other people, study won't not push pan people because I can't work for everybody. Because you can't push that for me. Somebody can say, oh, yeah, Kartel sell gold. You have different gold in different country. On a worldwide level. Did Fever sell more than watch out for this? Hell fucking no. So that's what I try to say. We have to understand when we are reason the world, some man are reason America alone or two look corner. We can go even and say low record alone. We can go and say low record alone. Zine?
So viewer subscriber, make me know what you think about what Foota Hype had to say. I know most of you, as I said before, most of you may not agree with it, but leave an honest opinion in the comment section, because as I said before, I'm going to say it again, most of these things that Foota Hype I talk about, I first may hear of it, you know, and Busy Signal seem like a humble person, because I never see him try if he hype up or not, you know. Busy Signal like is a type of person when I see like him stay in him own lane and do him own thing, you see me. So those things where Foota Hype say, I even know, bro. Best believe. You see me? But as I say, leave it down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you agree or you disagree with what Foota Hype had to say. So as always, 4K Shella Energy. Catch you in the next one.